I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you your Mailing Boss dashboard. Now there's a lot of things on this dashboard, so we're going to go through it step by step so we can see a little bit of everything so you understand what's available on the screen. So we'll start over here to the left at the very top of the screen. You'll see the word menu, and when you click it, you'll have access to look at pricing plans, at subscriber lists, at email campaigns, at the different templates you can pull in for your emails. You can set your domain settings to verify your domain for branded email. You can set up your API keys so you can connect your Mailing Boss to forms and different things in your website. You've also got some automation features and even an integration key. You've got menu items at the top. Right here, you've got the ability to do things with subscriber lists. Here, you've got the ability to do things with your emails. Here, you've got the ability to look at your gallery of templates and then the templates that you've pulled in to use for your own emails. And then here, you have the ability to set some automation rules and take a look at the rules that you've already set up. Now, going all the way across the side to where your name appears, this is where you can find out more about profile information and company information that you've put into the system. You can set up your avatar, you can change your company information, and once you make any changes, you can go ahead and click Save, and that will save all the changes for you. You've also got access to account usage here where you can see your sending quota, how many lists you have, how many campaigns you have, how many subscribers you have. And then the last item on the far right-hand side, you can log out. Going back to the dashboard is easy. All I have to do is click this icon right here that says Mailing Boss, and it'll take me all the way back to the dashboard. Now on the dashboard itself, you've got several different things. The first thing that you'll see is the last subscriber list that you created, and it will give you information including how many subscribers are in there, how many unsubscribers, how many subscribers you got yesterday, and how many unsubscribers you got yesterday. You'll also get the subscription URL link, so you can copy that. You can get the Smart Opt-in email link, and you can copy that. And then for that same list, you've got several icons at the bottom. We'll go through all of them. The first icon is the overview for your subscriber list, then the update, and then the subscribers themselves. You can click to see them on this icon right here. You've got emails and page configurations on this icon. You've got duplicate list on this icon. You've got import, export, and copy on this icon. And you can look at all of your lists on this icon. The next area I want to show you is where you can create a new subscriber list. So right here, you can put information in these fields and click continue, and you'll start the process of creating a new subscriber list. The next box is create a new campaign. You've got fields in here where you can start the process of creating a new email campaign. Once you fill out those fields, you can click continue and go through the process of creating a new campaign. Then at the bottom, you've got a box that shows you just a general idea of your email campaigns and how they're doing. So that's the dashboard for Mailing Boss.